nhớ cho nó cũng làm biểu gì ya ấy nó cũng có lòng chín nè chỉ cũng có hai mình chỉ cho cũng chẳng ta ấy cũng sau cho là ba đâu bây giờ mình tụi nhiều tao và tao chỉ thiết tao chỉ cần ta nữa cái phong đó nó cái phong đó tao thấy phong đó cái taxi rhyming mua cho rhymes nè giờ lấy từ họ sản nông thiết sản phong nó là họ là nông của tao thiết nó giờ cũng phong đó thiết ôi cũng sau nếu mà cho nên tao họ cái phong đó món nào cái phong đó món qua bây thấy bất thọ ít thiết chút bao trâu cho là chị mua cho nên thấy tụ to tụ cò đó cò chị kế đó mua cho vocabulary thế nếu mua tụ nên tạo thế nếu mua cho cá nó cho mình tụi nhiều sau thế nếu họ mua cho sentence fluency thế nó phong tạo nó dễ phong tạo và cho là ba trâu mình tụi nhiều lại cỡ thế những sau tạo thế nếu mua cũng phong tạo cho là kia họ YouTube ấy tiền đi họ cho nhìn tạo món là đi bán nó chấm nhiều là hay là trong tất nhiên nó cho miệt gì ấy đi họ tiền ô biết bao nhiêu món này biết bao nhiêu món biết bao nhiêu món nó làนี่เรากงเจ้ากูเขา YouTube นะ okay กูเขา YouTube channel จะมอง มอง AZ Books so นี่ยงหยีเราเราดอกคอยในชีนันเตานะที่กูเขียนกูเขียนเลยอย่าลิกูเขียนตัดเจอกันแต่ว่าแต่อย่าว่ายังอยู่แต่จำตึ้มอยู่นะนี่ภาษาเดียนี่เราเกิดเขา YouTube นะ okay อย่าพ่นตาhandwriting books 头นี่จำอยู่เกิดพ่นนั้นตาเจริญยี่ป้อเชาเทียยี่ป้อให้ลูกมองเทียหนึ่งเจ้าค่ะหนึ่งเชี่ยวว่าเชาเสื้อหนึ่ง build vocabulary and fine motor skills and also sentence fluency. This is a book that's going to help your children and it has helped me so much at home so that's why I wanted to share with you. พ่นตาในฮิปพ่นตาหาว่าปันดาวจะมง coloring book. I think that our art is so special, so beautiful, and I really wanted to share. And so here's another page. Okay, so จะปั้นดาวนะจะเทียจะมีตุ้มหยดเลยสาว่า color เจเขาได้ข้าป้าเราเลยเทียเขาว่า Amazon ละมั่วเทียเนาะต่อ Target ละมั่วเทียเอวิธีได้ฮอตวอเตอร์กูนั่นละมั่วเทีย okay so กูพอ coloring book นะเฮ้เพราะว่ากูchỉ là preserve here, your culture here. It's a really good opportunity for me to share this with my students. And again, this book throughout the whole book is there's a lot of repetition throughout the whole book. And I really want children to when they're done reading, when they finish reading this book, they will have that ingrained and in their mind, and they'll be able to read this. So notice that the repetition, and so even your child does not speak anymore. By the time you're done with this book, your child will know okay? And so that's one of my goals, having that repetition. It's going to be very, very helpful, and that's what we want. We want to build that background knowledge. It's like building Legos. We just keep building, and eventually we'll have something really beautiful. And so here it is. This is a tree, and in the background is the Grand Canyon, and so I wanted to really bring that into my book. And so this is just all the beautiful places that I love to visit. I wanted to capture the beautiful sunset at the Grand Canyon. So the sun is going down, and the Grand Canyon, the horizon right here. And it's just so beautiful, and I really wanted to capture that. So it says right here, okay, so the sun is setting at the horizon. It is time to go home. All right, so this is my book. I just feel like when I speak, when I'm done talking, then people forget. But if I put it in text, if I put it in a book, then when children read, they read over and over, they'll remember. It's going to help build the confidence in your child, and it's going to help them, motivate them to want to read more. This is called Your Kong Shi Ho Jie. Ya li dian lu deng, lu zhuo lu dong, da da lu ya. Okay, the ya be shi ho jie su jie gu shao jie gu bao hai dia gu khao target audience jie chấm nhiều giàu. Jie wo shi bao lu mong hang jie gu shao jie gu mo jia duo na. Okay, the picture, the visual is going to be so helpful to those who are trying to learn the language. And also, I wanted to highlight all the target words throughout the book. And so this is the word that is about this. So the reinforcement after reinforcement and that repetition and repetition. And so that is something that I really wanted to carry, and that's basically my theme. All right, so here is luza, luza, and then the sentence and then the word that goes with that. And so having that, the children will be able to remember the vocabulary and not just luza or luteng, but here it has the word, the picture, kotua. There's the broom, kotua, and then gushita, gushita kotua la j. So, nu may call sentence for la haita kawa dumbena. So, pona ye power vocabulary, but the shin ye power yo yi je kana. What a jammy to me on a yank la yo while I thought out a layer, Paul, Salomona, okay? So, Kuchanda Moje, Molino, Kupondana Hatia, the four pandas. So this story, let me read a little bit summary of this story, okay? It's about four cousin pandas. They live in a still house deep in the bamboo forest. They love to work and play with their friends, their forest friends. Then one day, there's this forest fire. The fire causes great chaos throughout the forest. Each panda must use a special gift to help the friends stay safe from the fierce fire. The central message in this, and I wanted to convey to the reader, is that, you know, everybody has a special gift. Everyone has something very special to offer the world, offer to the community, offer to the family. Everyone has something special. And so these each panda has a special gift, and they, in the midst of this whole fire, the chaos in the forest, they each has to, each bear has to use their special gift to help their friends. Share the message to the young children and children everywhere that, you know, you might not be the most athletic person in the group, but you have something. Maybe you're musically talented. Maybe you're creative. Maybe you have a great singing voice. We all have something very special, and it's very important to find that special gift that we have. And also, once we develop that gift and we cultivate that, it is very important to use that gift to help others. That is the message in this book. This brings me so much joy knowing that I get to share this book with my students in the classroom. It brings me a lot of joy. So this book is available on my website and also on Amazon, okay? I am working on some more, and I hope to share with you some of my new books pretty soon. Thank you again for your time, and I will see you in the next video.